Hawaiian treats that my friend sent me, and Jasmine wants to try some other snacks. So let's go.
I think I tried this before, but I don't remember what it tastes
Yeah, I
like.
think we probably had this before. This is macadamia nuts covered in chocolate. It's a lot of it, so we're not gonna try everything, but she's gonna pick some that she wants to try and let you know how it tastes. So I'm not gonna open everything. Go ahead.
So I want to try these first. Oh, it's kind of hard.
So while you're opening that, we'll kind of go ahead and unbox or show you some of the stuff. This is aloha granola. Like I said, all these snacks are from Hawaii. More macadamia nuts covered in chocolate. This one is dark chocolate. These are roasted, honey roasted macadamia nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one.
You good?
This is good. This one is good. Honey roasted macadamia nuts, so good. This is hot sauce. I think it says Kilauea fire. I don't know if I said it right, but it says Kilauea fire, something like that. This is Hawaii special papaya seed vinaigrette dressing. Another vinaigrette dressing, papaya seed as well. Pineapple Waikiki tea. I love tea. Mango. This is mango Maui.
I just started opening.
Really?
Yes.
And these are different types of honey. These are honey. We have 2 packs of these. It's from Big Island Bees. It's 3 different kinds of honey in there. Oh, this one is macadamia nut blossom. You know what? This one is lihua blossom and wilakiki blossom. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but they're different flavors of honey.
And now we're trying this one.
This one is chocolate covered macadamia nuts with rice crisp.
Ooh.
Chocolate covered macadamia nuts with rice crisp. Sorry, you can't see it. The lighting. And this is what they look like. There you go.
So, the video girl is trying it first.
I like this cup.
I'm stealing that.
Nope. This is gonna be mine. This is a Hawaii Starbucks cup. Looks like a pineapple.
You can't put it in there to open it in there.
So that box is done.
Remind me of what we got earlier.
More macadamia nut. This one is Kiwahi barbecue, smoked barbecue. There's a lot of macadamia nuts. We're not gonna try all of them tonight. It's hard.
It's so hard. Kind of. Oh.
Kona coffee. These are shortbread cookies.
Try it. Good.
This is good.
Yeah.
Okay. More shortbread cookie. This one is pineapple. But this one is yummy.
Can I ask okay if we can try one?
More shortbread cookie.
I'll be right
Almond.
back.
shortbread cookies. Hawaii pineapple jam. We're gonna try this one. Bring a spoon so we try this one. Yeah. More macadamia nuts. More macadamia nuts. More macadamia nuts. Chocolate covered stuff. More macadamia nuts. This one is called Mac Nut Crunch, covered in chocolate. Bet this one is good. Matcha chocolate. It's macadamia nuts covered in matcha chocolate. Another macadamia nuts, dark chocolate. Yum. Yeah, it's a lot of chocolate. We're not gonna be trying all of these tonight. We're gonna be trying some of them.
Yeah.
I really want to try the pineapple jam, so we're gonna go ahead and try the pineapple jam.
I think it's gonna really smell. Smells like nothing to me.
Smell like nothing?
Oh, it looks so gooey. Is it good?
It's just pineapple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh, it's sweet. Yeah, that's pineapple jam. Butter, pineapple, macadamia nuts. We just had dinner, so there's no way we're gonna be able to try all these snacks tonight. But
Try these
out
now.
of everything else, Jasmine really wants to try the 3D pineapple gummies.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I've never seen these before.
They're so cute. I want to keep one, but they were.
It's so cute. It's a little
It's so squishy and stretchy.
Yeah, see?
It smells like.
It's a little 3D.
It smells
Pineapple.
like
It smells like pineapple. It smells like it's real
I wonder.
fruit and not just food coloring. I don't know.
This part kind of like. This part kind of like have a jelly flavor, but no flavor.
Yeah? It just tastes like pineapple.
Mhm.
Let me see what the ingredients. Oh my god.
What?
So there's actually no pineapple in it. This is corn syrup, sugar, water, gelatin, sorbitol, citric acid, malic acid, artificial flavor, pectin, palm oil, carnauba, wax, and yellow 5 and blue 1. Oh my god. These are also little pineapple chewy candy. They taste like they're chewy, but they're a little harder. We already tried these.
I never tried.
We're not gonna try them, but a lot of the stuff is pineapple or macadamia nuts, which of course pineapple is native to Hawaii, and macadamia nuts, I guess, is native to Hawaii too. And here's a fun fact: pineapple. We also have a lot of pineapple in Jamaica, and also apples, which is called Otaiti apples. And I think the pineapple was a trade between Hawaii and Jamaica. I'm not sure. I think I read that somewhere before that. I don't know, but I read somewhere where pineapple, or there was a trade between pineapple and Otaiti apple between Jamaica and Hawaii. I probably need to do more research on that. I'm not really too sure about that. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of goodies right here from Hawaii, from my friend that is stationed there. We're not gonna be trying all these goodies tonight. There's a lot of sweets. Oh, this one is hard. You eating more?
It's good.
Yeah.
Like
I can't eat no more. You can have mine.
You didn't laugh.
Okay. Well, there you go. You've seen all the tricks. I can't wait to put this on some chicken, see what it tastes like. It's gonna be spicy. Yeah.
So, I hope you like our video. I hope you subscribe. Smash that like, and you are worth it. Bye guys.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.